This emergency broadcast has been authority issued by the police department. 2 men that worked for the toy company called Mattel have been found dead and brutally murdered by an unknown threat. The police will now give and share some information about what's going on and how we can do to stop this threat.
Just several hours ago, my men and I came as soon as we can. When we got into the building to get to the room where the employees were found dead, we noticed that the doors to that room were brutally damaged somehow, as if something big busted through it. We also discovered that the corpses that were received from the murder somehow must have massive shark-like shaped bite marks on the employees' corpses. We were not sure how big these things were, but they must have been massive. Twice the size of a human being. So somehow, we're not sure how this even happened. However, we did manage to find some of that evidence in a tape recording down right next to right where a VHS TV was. So we plopped the tape in and discovered a horrifying message. It seems that the 2 employees were attacked by 4 creatures called the Street Sharks, which are mainly the main protagonists of the show called Street Sharks that ran from 1994 to 1997, with a total of 3 seasons and 40 episodes. So, at this point, it seems like the Street Sharks are now on a rampage, transporting themselves from one TV screen to another, giving out cryptic messages about them trying to feast on human flesh. However, we will not let that happen. We promise to you all, citizens, that we will protect the city from any natural cause like anything like this. Anyway, for right now, lock your doors, barricade your windows, and try to stay as quiet as possible. If a street shark manages to break into your house, either one of them being Ripster, Streaks, Jab, or Slamoo, grab a shotgun and prepare to load it up and try and shoot them as best we can. Call 911 so that we can finally arrest them and put them in jail or put them in some sort of security prison so that they won't escape as easily as they could. Thank you for listening and have a nice evening. Alright, man, let's get everything packed up, get back to the PlayStation, and grab some more info about this before... Sir, we're detecting some strange, strong activity on the ground.